Hi everyone, I would like to do a quick video about humidifier. I was looking for one and I did my research and I came up with this one. So one of the good features that this one have, it's a pretty big water tank. This is a 1.4 gallon and it's a top fill. So easy to fill from the top. As you can see, the opening is that big and easy to fill up. It also comes with the smart control. That means you set up the percentage of humidity that you're looking for and it will keep it like that. It will turn on and off automatically. Come with a pad for the oil. So at the back you see that there is a tray that you can put the drop for the oils. That's just for the smell. And also coming with this mineral filter that I believe you're gonna have to replace from time to time. I read reviews and it's a very quiet one, so we're gonna get it to work and I'll show you how is it working. I got it actually in Costco. Today it's a Black Friday and I got it for a very good price. Usually this one sells for like $180. I got it for $120. And that's it. Let me show you how it's working. There you go. So I plugged it to power. As you can see, the mist. And it's a very, very, very quiet one. So if you are putting it in your bedroom and you're sleeping, noise is not something that will bother you. You also can turn off the screen light if you're sensitive to light. Let's go through the touch screen here. Sorry, not touch screen, touch control. So this one controls the fan speed. Timer, 2, 4, 8 hours timer. Hot mist, cold mist, and humidity control starting off 35 up to 55. And turn off the screen, turn it back on. This one is the light indicator for the filter replacement. So that's all. I really like it and I do recommend it, so go get one for you.